Hello friends, my name is Pratiksha Sarda. In this session I am going to talk about Pandas series, and in previous video I already talked about theoretical part of Pandas. If you not watched that, then please go and watch it first before going for practical implementation. So let's get start to Jupyter Notebook. The first main data type we will learn about Pandas is the series data type. Let's import Pandas and explore the series object. Import Pandas as PD. Import NumPy as NP. The series is very similar to NumPy array. In fact, it is built on top of the NumPy array object. What differentiates the NumPy array from series is that series can have axis labels, meaning it can be indexed by labels instead of just number location. It also doesn't need to hold numeric data. It can hold any arbitrary Python object. You can convert list, NumPy array or dictionary to a series. Here I created one label list, one number list. I converted that number list into NumPy array, and I created a dictionary containing ABC as indexes, and 1, 2, 3 are their values. I already written whole code here because it will be easy for me to explain you. Pandas has one method called series, which used to create series data type using array, list and dictionary. Let's first create series using dictionary. Here I used the method called series, and I passed the parameter data equal to my list, which I created here, and output of this code is by default indexes are 0, 1, 2 and values are the values of my list. Then we can pass labels to the series, just giving parameter index equal to label. We can create series using NumPy array just by passing array to the series method as a parameter. As list, NumPy also create by default indexes from 0 to length of that array -1. We can give label to that values also by just passing another parameter with array called label in series. Let's create series using dictionary. I passed dictionary to this series method, run it, then output equal to ABC are indexes of that dictionary and 1, 2, 3 are the values of that dictionary. Till now we have passed data equal to numbers only. We can pass data equal to string, data equal to floating point numbers. Here I pass data equal to label dictionary, which I have created first on the top of this file. It will give output values equal to ABC, and by default indexes are 0, 1, 2. The key to using series is that understanding its index. Pandas make use of these indexes names or numbers by allowing fast look of information. Let's see some examples. Let's create two series here, SCR1 and SCR2. In SCR1 I passed values equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and indexes equal to USA, Germany, USSR, Japan. These are countries. Series 1 looks like this. In series 2 I passed values equal to 1, 2, 5, 4 and index equal to USA, Germany, Italy and Japan. Difference between both these series is, here I passed USSR whose value is 3. In series 2 I passed index equal to Italy and its value is 5. Series 2 looks like this. When we add series 1 and series 2, it will give output like this. In series 1, Germany has value equal to 2, and in series 2, Germany also has value equal to 2. Therefore, 2 plus 2, 4. Here in series 2, Italy is present. but in series 1 Italy is absent. Here the value of Italy is missing value, that is non-value. Likewise, we can perform all the arithmetic operations on series. That's all for this session. I want to tell one thing is that NumPy and Pandas are Python built-in libraries and which are very useful in data science field. You should have basic knowledge about both the libraries and you should practice it more and more so that you will become great data scientist. In next video I am going to talk about data frames, which are second data type of Pandas. If you want my repository, then go and check video description. I provided my GitHub link there. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, share with your connections. Thank you.